Hi everyone at home. Lovely to see you again. I hope you're all keeping well. So I'm Steph from Be Active. Steph with uncontrollable wild hair. Please excuse. I know we're all in the same boat. No haircuts for the last few months. But hey, there's worse things in life. Thankfully we're doing a lying down session today, so it doesn't really matter. I've had some requests to put together a session on relaxing our body and our mind, especially before bedtime, because I know some people are struggling with sending themselves off into a good quality sleep. So I thought this was going to be a nice one to do. As we know, a very anxious time at the moment, and when we hold that anxiety in our body and our muscles, it has a direct impact on how we feel inside. When we are anxious in our mind and in how we feel, then again that makes us hold tension in our muscles, so it has a direct impact on how our body feels. So everything is intertwined. So if we can relax one, then we've got a good chance at relaxing the other. But we're going to aim at both today anyway. So we're going to lie down. So you can lie down on your bed, on your rug, on the grass, on a mat, wherever you want to. If you don't want to lie down for any reason, sit yourself down in a chair, that's fine. We're just going to do a few minutes. So I'm going to lie down myself while I talk you through this. So make yourself really comfortable. Lie yourself down. Let your legs and your arms just fall away in any position they want to. So some of us, we might want to open them out, some of us close, put a blanket on you if you'd like to. Just going to rest here. Just feel the weight of your head and the back of your shoulders, the back of your hands, your lower back, the back of your legs. Just feel the contact between the whole of the back of your body and either the ground or the bed or wherever you're lying. So now we're going to take our attention to our breathing. So all we're going to do is we're going to put our one hand just below your belly button, just the very bottom part of your belly there, just rest it. And now when you breathe in through your nose, breathe so you can feel your belly rise. You can feel your hand rise and your belly rise. So just inhale. Exhale. So let's spend about a minute doing this. So just breathe into that belly. Feel the whole belly blow up like a balloon. Feel the rise and feel the fall. Just slow everything down. If you want to as well, you can use the other hand, so you can place it just where your heart is, just on your chest. Just feel the warmth of your hand against your heart. Now as you breathe into your belly, feel the belly rise. And as you breathe out, feel it through the heart and the chest. So this is a really comforting, lovely way to be lying. Some people refer to this as giving yourself a hug. We're touching our body in some quite emotional areas. It can be really comforting. Just breathe. When you find your mind distracted, just bring it back to the rise and fall of the belly. You can use both hands on the belly if you'd rather. You don't have to use any hands on the belly, it's just a nice thing to do if you want. Okay, so hopefully we're feeling just nice and settled there now. So let your hands now fall to whatever position they want to, whether that's on the floor, on your hips, on your belly, however. So we're going to move through our body now, stage by stage. We're going to look at relaxing all of the main muscle groups. So to begin with, let's squish our face up, make the face tight. Really focus on contracting the muscles through the face, through the back of the scalp, through the head. Take a breath in. Imagine breathing into the whole of your head. And as you breathe out, relax the back of the head, relax the facial muscles, relax the eyes. Take your time. Let's move down the neck and into the shoulders this time. Now think about the back of the neck, think about the shoulders, think about the very top part of the upper back. Now contract all of those muscles in, squeeze, create tension, create as much tightness as you can. Take a breath into that area. And then with a breath out, just let that part of your body release back into the ground. Just breathe for a moment. Okay, let's move down the arms this time. So we're going to clench our fists. We're going to straighten our arms. We're going to strengthen through the muscles. You can raise the arms just a little bit above the floor if you want to. Make it strong. Take a deep breath in. And with a breath out, we don't want to really let the arms flop and go. We just want to be kind and soft as you let the arms just rest again back into the ground. Just breathe. Still breathing into the belly. Okay, so now we're going to move down the back and into the back of where our bum cheeks are. So we're going to squeeze, almost like we're squeezing, so we're raising the back of us off the ground. Now squeeze the whole back together. Squeeze the bum cheek, squeeze the back. You find that your chest should be raising. Make sure this feels comfortable for you, mind, not too tight. Take a breath in. Big breath in, and with the breath out, relax and release, and almost like you're just surrendering the back of your body all the way into the ground. Let it go. Oh, that's lovely. Just breathe into the belly. So we're moving through now to the front of our body. So we're thinking our hips, we're thinking our abdomen, and we're thinking of all the way down the front area here. So let's squeeze the hips. Squeeze them together. You might need to use the thighs for this a little bit as well. Pull the belly button in tight, create tension through the midsection, tension through the chest. Just contract it all. Make it as tight and as strong as you can. Take a breath in. And with a breath out, release. So I'm hoping your body is starting to feel a bit softer and a bit more relaxed and settled by now. So we're going to move down to our knees, down to the lower part of our legs and into our feet. So let's squeeze through, imagine squeezing the knees in. Imagine pointing the toes away from each other. Tighten the soles of the feet, tighten the calves. Strong, strong, strong. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Let it all go. Oh, nice. So we've contracted and tightened our whole body. And now we're leaving it go. And we're returning back to our breathing, into our belly. So close your eyes. Feel the belly rise. And feel the belly fall. Breathe in through the nose. Back out through the nose or through the mouth if you'd rather. by now we should have an awareness of each of the parts of our body. So we just have a think and a feel around the body, just to see where you're still holding any tightness at all, any tension. When you can feel any specific areas, just repeat that exercise of contracting, tightening and breathing into that area, and then release it. So let's take one more breath into our belly, feel it rise. Exhale, release the shoulders. So one at a time, we're going to bend at our knees. And then if you want to, let the knees pull you over onto one side. Bring that top arm over and just rest in the fetal position, just here. So feel the weight of your head, your shoulders, your hips, everything resting into the ground. So stay in this position if it's bedtime. Make sure you're warm and comfortable. Close your eyes. Repeat as many times as you need to until you feel your body relax, until you feel your nervous system settle through the deep breathing, and until you feel your mind calm enough to send you off into a lovely deep sleep. Thank you for joining me, everyone. I'll look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.